Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm back with some more entries, and I hope to get as many as I can out in this video so that I can post pictures. I've been posting a bunch of pictures on Instagram, so if you have sent your entry within the past few weeks, you should be up on my Instagram page as of now. What do you guys think of my new desk mat? I have been wanting the mint green for what seems like forever, and I found it on Amazon for an affordable price. I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out. It's super affordable and it's huge, you guys. I think it's 17 by 25. I'm obsessed. I love it, and I think it looks so much better than the pink one. Plus my pink one was smaller. But enough about my mat. Let's get on with these entries. So the first one, let's see here. I have a whole bag full, and you guys, my last video of entries, I confused some of the goodies, and I'm sorry if that was you, that I confused what you sent me as gifts. I totally apologize. I did pin a comment, so if you did see the goodies that you sent me, to just leave me a comment, and of course I'll give the proper credit. And thank you to the subscriber who did leave a comment telling me that she did not send me the goodies that I actually attached to her entry. But let's get on with this. It's just so many, and sometimes I get them all mixed up, but we're gonna work on that. So this entry is from Miriam Faris, and she's Crafty Butterfly Faris on YouTube. She sent me this beautiful card, and this is where she left me a little note. She sent me some beautiful rosettes in this super cute packaging. I love that rainbow. Look at these, you guys. Aren't they beautiful? And they're like perfect. I recently got a rosette die, and I found one in my stash, so I need to make some rosettes. I definitely need to get my behind on that. And look, you guys, this is her memory dex card. Sorry, got a little confused there because I saw her handmade card over here. But look at this tool that she did right here. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. And I love that unicorn. Look at that face with the lashes. Sometimes unicorns can be a little, you know, not ugly, but not have like the cutest face. I love like the feet, how she added some glitter to it. The packaging, beautiful. And then last is her handmade card. I love that you guys use this paper because it's so cute. One of a kind. So this is from Miriam. Thank you so much, girlie, for entering my giveaway and my little extra goodies. Totally appreciate it. My next entry is from Angela Yang, and she sent me this cute little envelope. We'll take a little wrapping paper that she made, a little packaging. And you guys, I did peek through all my mail. She sent me a cute little note right here. So everything is like opened out of its package, except the ones that I received today. But I don't know if they're gonna be in this video or the next. In this cute little packaging, she sent me 2 cards. And this is all the way from Australia, you guys. Sydney, Australia. Look at that. It says unique. This one says magic. These are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then you guys, this is her memory dex card. A cute little shaker. It says you are unique. And then she put my name right here. Super cute. Absolutely love it. I love this color in the back. It looks so pretty. It looks almost like the galaxy. Super cute. So that was from Angela, and she is crafty_Angela_ on, what is it, on YouTube? No, on Instagram. So thank you, Angela, for your entry. And then next we have Lexi Porter, and this is what her packaging looked like. I don't think I looked through this one. Let's open up the card real quick. Super cute. And Let me see. She's Lexi Lou 3211 on Instagram. Oh, thank you, Lexi. Super cute card. Love the little envelope. I love these. You guys, I love note cards. And then she had this little mint green tissue paper, which I'll be saving. And then you guys, look at this. This is different. I love it. Look at that. She chose mermaid. Ooh, this is like majestic. I love it. I love that she went with a different aspect of it. Instead of the blues, she did this black with that like iridescent. Ooh, I like this. I like that a lot. Look at her memory decks card, you guys. I love that I have like sets, because you guys like use the same paper for both your memory decks and your handmade cards. But this is beautiful. Thank you, Lexi. It's so cute. She's Lexi Lou 3211 on Instagram and Lexi Lou on YouTube. I'll have everybody linked down below. You guys definitely go check each other out, follow each other. And then up next we have Alvina Diaz, and she sent me a flamingo pen. Aw, in mint green. You guys know me a little too much. Look at this super cute little chipboard. This is cute. Where'd you get this? I like this. This is cute. And then she sent me a magnetic pouch. Ooh. A magnetic pouch. Let's see what this is. Let's open this up. Oh, this is cool. So it's like almost like you usually put it up against anything with a magnet, and then you have like a little pocket there. Oh, this is adorable. I've never seen this. This is cute. I may give this to my daughter so she can put it on her locker in school. That's cool. I like that. Thank you. And then you guys, here's her entry. This is her handmade card. Super cute little unicorn with a rosette. Life is magical. She packaged it up with a super cute little bow. And then her memory deck card. Let me take it out real quick from back here. We have this right here. Look at that. Look at those like mermaid tails. Super cute. I absolutely love that. Look at that glitter. You guys, is that paper from Hobby Lobby? I need that paper in my life. It is so cute. And her name is Alvina Diaz, and she's the Latin Girl 34. I love it. Thank you so much, girlie. And that is that one. I'll place that right there. Look how yummy this is looking already. Next up we have, let's see, this is what the packaging looks like. Super fun and girly. And this is from Anita Diedrich. Yeah, Anita Diedrich. And we'll see what her names are. So these are her entries, because she put a little cute little clip with this cute little unicorn tag. And this cute little rose gold, like, what is it, a bulldog clip? Look at the little fun stickers. I'm definitely saving those puppies. And this bag is so thick. I like this. Where'd you get this bag? Cool. So this is her handmade card. Super cute. I'm loving that iridescent paper in the background. The hologram is so cute. And look how she used that, I forgot the corrugated paper. So cute. You make the world a better place just by being in it. And she did this super cute stamp right there. A little girl and a unicorn. I love that. Where'd you get that stamp? That's so cute. And then her envelope is like this, you guys. She used craft paper, but look how cute. She made the front a shaker. Isn't that fun? I love that she did that. So different. You guys are going all outside of the box. I love it. And then, let me see, hold on. Over here, we have her memory decks card. Look at that. Look at the way she decorated it with this tulle. Super cute. The little holographic doily. That's the Martha Stewart one. Let me see. We can take it out. And this is her card. This is beautiful. I love it. I love all the details. Absolutely beautiful. And on the other side, it says magical. So it's like both sides, which I think is so cool because when I put it on my spinner, I'll be able to see on both sides. That's genius, girl. I love it. Thank you so much. I'm just going to put it like that for now. Right here. And then she sent me some extra. Oh, I think this is probably from the wrapping. I unwrapped some of the stuff. I like this. Super cute trim. Saving these bags for sure. And then in here, she sent me some little goodies. Another little bag she put for you and a little unicorn clip. And you guys, look how cute. She sent me some stickers. Let me just open this up here. She sent me a little. Let me take this off right here so that you guys can see it. Well, actually, it's got like a glue dot, so I don't want to like rip it. But she sent me some of these little unicorn stickers. Love these from Hobby Lobby. Can never have enough unicorn stickers. And these cute little puffies. I don't have these. Thank you so much. And this little bag filled with a sequence mix, which is super, well, appreciated. I was gonna say super grateful. Super appreciated. I love sequence mixes. It saves me for having to make them myself. So thank you so much, Anita, for that. Cute little unicorn clip. So we're gonna place that right there. And then moving along, we're gonna go this way. This one is from, let's see. This is from Crafty Kristen. So I think she's Crafty Kristen on her Instagram or YouTube. I'm gonna open up her. This is what her card looks like, her little memory decks card. Look at that cute little mermaid. She's so cute. Let me get it out. Let's see what it says. So her IG name is Crafty Christy and her YouTube name is Crafty Christy as well. And this is what her card looks like. Super adorable. I love it. I love this mermaid ribbon. And this is her handmade card. Let's be mermaids. I like that. And it's like, I think it's like a shaker. Oh no, it's like, oh look you guys. It's like squishy. Oh, I love that. I've never tried to do that. That is so cool. And you can't even see it on the other side. That is so cool. Do you guys see it? I love this. Oh my, thank you so much, Christy. This is so cute. I love this. And then she sent me some little extra goodies. She sent me some little die cuts with the word love. And this cute little pocket. She sent me hello. She sent me these cute little tags with all little words on them. Adorable. I love how she made this little bag. And then on the other side, some little tags. Super cute. Thank you so much for entering and sending me these amazing goodies. Okay, that's that one right there. And then, let's see who's up next. Up next is Michelle Massey. And she sent me this yumminess inside a bag. See that, you guys? And let's see. I don't want to get this all over the place. Put it right back in the bag because you guys know I will be saving it. Okay. She sent me a bunch of goodies, you guys. All packaged up, super adorable. Look at this. Look at all these goodies. Girl, thank you. Okay, so she's Crafty Beginnings on YouTube. Sent me this super cute little card. Her packaging had this on the outside of the tissue paper. This is her super adorable memory dex card. Isn't that cute? I love that. I love how she packaged it. So cute. She used crepe paper, cute little starfish. Look at this mermaid tail little charm. So cute. And then she made this super cute little rosette for me. Look at that. It says, "Hello, gorgeous." Isn't that adorable? I love that. And then she made me this card. I think it's like a, let me see. Yeah, she just sent me, she said these are some little hostess gifts. So let me just open this up. We have this super cute card. Look at this. Look at all the little details. I love that. That's beautiful. Look at the flowers. Super beautiful. She sent me a cute little coffee cup clip, some Project Life cards. Look at that. And then the envelope for the card. So she sent me that. And I think that's her entry. No, I don't think that's her entry. This is her card entry right here. She decorated this super cute little envelope. I think she just sent me this as a gift. And then this is her entry right here. This is her envelope that she decorated up to put her card and her envelope in here. This is the envelope for her card entry, and it's a super cute little shaker. Look at the unicorn with a little bow, some flowers. I love this. I love all the little details. Super fun. So that is her handmade card entry with her little envelope. So cute. I love it. Definitely go check her out, you guys. I think she told me that it was like her first time making the memory dex card. So thank you, Michelle, for entering my giveaway and me being the first person you sent a memory dex card to. That's awesome. And these are the little hostess gifts that she sent me. I'm gonna open that up right now. Made this super cute little package. She sent me this super little cute project here with a little rosette. Look at that. I love that. Made just for you. She put my name on it. And it has like this little clip right here. This is so cute. I'm not sure. It has two little holes right here. So I'm thinking, I don't know if this is like another card or what it could be. If you could leave it down below, Michelle. But it's super adorable. I love it. I love the thickness of it. It's super cute. Look at the little detail of the bottle cap. And then she sent me some stickers that she packaged up super cute. And then sent me some of the cut aparts to the unicorn paper. And this cute little clip. And then last but certainly not least, she sent me this super cute little notepad, and it says "Shine Bright," and I love that it's like a flag shape. Super adorable. But yeah, you guys, those are the entries for now. Just stay tuned on my Instagram for pictures of your entries, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.